Hi there traders. In today's video we're going to look at how to choose stocks and ETFs for covered calls. So the first step in choosing which stocks and ETFs on which to sell covered calls is to exclude those which are not appropriate. For example, you should avoid leveraged ETFs, small biotechs, startups, and thinly traded stocks. Next, you can count out any stock that has a very illiquid options market. Look at the option strikes you'll be trading. If the open interest is less than 500, then move on. Also keep an eye on the bid-ask spread of the options. If the spread is more than about 30 cents, then you can also ignore these stocks. Given the above, that significantly reduces the available universe of stocks on which to sell covered calls. Stocks that you do want to look out for covered calls are quality blue chip stocks that you'd be happy to own in your retirement account. The Dow stocks are a really good place to start, and all of the 30 stocks within that index would be appropriate for covered call writing. Also, stocks in the consumer staples sector are generally low risk and low volatility, so they can be appropriate. The only downside with these is that the low risk means low premiums, so return potential is going to be a bit lower. Still, covered call writing is not meant to be exciting. Here is my list of some of the stocks and ETFs that I believe are appropriate for covered call writing. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that short tutorial. Best of luck with your covered call trading. Feel free to reach out to me anytime if you need any help with anything, info@optionstradingiq.com. Also remember to check out my website, optionstradingiq.com. Plenty of free tutorials there for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and a share on Twitter or Facebook. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.